Hello, my name is Bob, and this is the Eluktronics Prometheus 16 G2 rundown. The Prometheus 16 is a 16-inch laptop made of aluminum and resin, weighing at 5.3 pounds. The display is QHD Plus 1600p, 240 Hz, 500 nits of brightness, and 100% standard RGB. The keyboard uses membrane switches, is N-key rollover, has 4-zone RGB, and in the front is a glass Windows Precision touchpad. The CPU uses the Intel Core i9-13900HX that is uncorked thanks to the Prima modded BIOS, and the graphics card options include the NVIDIA RTX 4060, 4070, 4080, 4090, all full power mobile variants. All of these components here use liquid metal from the factory. The Electronics Control Center controls everything from the RGB of your Prometheus 16 G2, as well as the power limits of your CPU. You can disable dynamic boost of your graphics card. There's a lot of bells and whistles in between, and in the BIOS, there is a MUX switch. Port selection on the right-hand side includes a full-size SD card reader and two USB 3.1s. On the rear, we have a rubber flap. Behind that will be the liquid propulsion package connection. We have a Thunderbolt 4 that is connected to the NVIDIA graphics card, HDMI 2.1, which is also connected to the NVIDIA graphics card, the local area network, and the barrel power port. And finally, on the left-hand side is a USB 3.1 and a separate mic and headphone port. Hardware expansion includes two M.2 slots up to PCIe Gen 4 speeds. We have two DDR5 slots and the Wi-Fi 6E card. And in my hand here is the second generation liquid propulsion package, aesthetically designed to perfectly match your Prometheus 16 G2. And while not a requirement, it does a really nice job of improving thermals, performance, and fan acoustics. Powerful laptops require hefty power supplies. The 4080 and 4090 Prometheus will use a 330-watt power supply, and the 4060 and 4070 will use a 280-watt power supply. The Electronics Prometheus 16 G2 is fun to look at, easy to use, and incredibly powerful.